Hi everyone, welcome again to another session of Mindscope Tech. This is part 3 for jQuery Unleashed, a tutorial for jQuery beginners. In this particular session, we will be starting with our first jQuery code. Let's open Visual Studio for web. I'm going to create a new HTML page. By default, HTML snippet is inserted, but with the feature of Visual Studio, you can write an HTML5 document snippet, create title for the HTML page. Now in this particular part, we will be getting jQuery. We can use or we can go and directly download jQuery from jQuery site. So if you want to include jQuery in your deployment, you can always go ahead and download the latest version of jQuery script file, or you can always include a reference from a CDN network to the jQuery. I can go to the jQuery on Google Developer and take the snippet and paste it here. The version, whatever version you are using, you can put it over here. I'm going to use version 1.9.1 as it is compatible with most of the browser. Let's create our first jQuery code. jQuery code should be written in script tag. In general, whenever you intend to execute a particular piece of code, after the body of your HTML is loaded, you use window.onload Windows.onload function and write your code over here. So when I open this particular piece of code in my browser, it shows an alert message saying OK. But this particular piece of code is executed as soon as the DOM is downloaded to the browser and it is ready to be rendered. The same thing can be achieved with help of jQuery. Ready function of document. You don't need the name of the function. You simply define a function over here and let's see how it behaves in a browser window, and it's the same behavior. So it's our first jQuery code. So let's get more deep into jQuery and understand how jQuery works and how we can utilize in our real life scenarios.